How to reset Pinterest account. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Head over to the option Privacy and Data. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option Clear App Cache. Once you do that, head back. Now navigate to the option Home Feed Tuner. Now here you're gonna find different sections as pins, interest, boards, and following. First up, navigate to the tab pins. Now here you're gonna find all of the pins. If you wanna unpin any of it, just uncheck. This will be removed. Likewise, click on the option of interest. Here you're gonna find all the interest topics. If you wanna add or remove any of the interest topic, just click on the plus icon or uncheck for it. Click on the option of boards. Likewise, over here, you're gonna find the boards. If you wanna hide any of the board, disable for the option in this way. Likewise, navigate to the option of following. In this page, you're gonna find all the users that you have followed. If you wanna unfollow any of those, you can click on the option of following. With that, the user will be unfollowed. So this way, you can easily reset your Pinterest account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.